In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install Grommets easy and simple. It's so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and reinforcing holes is in your mind. Don't worry. Here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. 3 miles away, a bus ride, and then a short 3-hour walk, but a back is a back. And this particular grommet toolkit supports 3 sizes, and that's 1/4 of an inch, which is 6 millimeters, 3/8 of an inch, which is 10 millimeters, and 1/2 of an inch, which is 12 millimeters. And it also comes with a tool bag and 600 pieces of grommets, and they are stainless steel, which are divided in 200 pieces of each size. You can also get grommets in different types of material, but no matter if you're using this kit or a different brand or a different size, the technique will be the same. And the first thing that we get in the toolkit is barbecue paper. I mean the owner's manual. And now that we filled your brain with data, the first thing that we're going to need is the material which you're going to place the grommet. In this particular case, we're using a silicone mat. In your case, it can be fabrics, leathers, plastics, or any other material. If you're not installing any grommets and you're watching this for the comedic purposes, we salute you. The next thing that we're going to need is the way to make the hole on that material. With this particular kit, you do get 3 hole punch tools, 1/4 of an inch, which is 6 millimeters, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 of an inch. But remember, you can use any tool at your disposal, like some scissors, an X-Acto knife, a utility knife, a screwdriver, even your kitchen knife, or any other. Remember, you are the king, queen, both or none of your castle. And to protect the working surface where the action is going to take place, also included in the kit is a plastic gasket that we're going to rename the plastic hockey puck. And how basically the hole punch works is you place the material where you want to place your grommet in between the hockey puck and the hole punch, and using a hammer, you hit away your pain, sorrows, and anxiety one hit at a time. And once you notice your victim has surrendered, I mean that your material has a hole, you've done it. And a pro tip, using a hard working surface for this therapy is the way to go, because the last thing you want is to go to a session and feel more relaxed and then have to go back in because now you got to buy a new work table. And now that we got our information, I mean now that we have our hole on our material, we're ready to take a look at the next thing we get in the box, and that is our grommet pliers. And this basically works by squeezing the handles with your beautiful Hulk hands until the grommet says, "I'm not going anywhere." And because every job is different, the next thing that we get in the box is the actual grommets. And starting from the left side to the right side, the first one that we have is the 1/4 inch. Next, we have the 3/8, and lastly, the 1/2 of an inch. And remember, you can get these in different sizes according to your needs. And these are comprised of 2 parts. We have the barrel or the male side, and then we have the washer or the female side. And now that you got your class in biology, we're ready to show you how babies are made. I mean, to our next step. So meaning the next thing that we get in the box, for each different grommet size, you would need the according grommet press die, which comprises of 2 parts. The one that holds the female side and the one that holds the male side. So that means if you're using a 1/4 inch grommet, then you're gonna need the 1/4 inch grommet die for your grommet pliers. So that would take us to the next step. We're going to install our dies on our plier tool, and we're going to start with the male side. You're going to notice a screw on the tool, and you're going to notice some threads on the die. We're basically going to use the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. And a pro tip, once you feel it tight, that's good enough. You don't want to over tighten that when removing it and using reverse engineering, you can't take it out. And in this case, we're using the 12 millimeters or 1/2 of an inch. Next, on the top, we're going to place our female die. You're going to notice a hole on the pliers, which we're going to use the ancient technique of insertion. I mean, this is not looking good. I mean, we're going to place the female die part. I'm 100% sure that when the editor wakes up, he'll fix the editing. But the good thing about the pliers is it's magnetic, so it's gonna go in there with ease. And now that you learned how the population of the world grows, we're ready for the next step. At the top, you want to place your male grommet with the male holder or barrel, and next we want to take our female grommet or washer and place it on our female die holder on the plier. And remember, you want to place the smooth side on the top and have the indentation ring at the bottom facing the male grommet. And once again, because this particular tool is magnetic, it would go with ease in place. And now you've done it, grasshopper. You're one step closer to victory. We want to take our material, which already has the hole on it, and place it on our male side, creating an event like last night. I mean, we want to make sure that all the material is aligned properly and around the barrel, so when pressed in place, it won't have any wrinkles. Now you can go ahead and compress the tool and you should have one grommet. And as you can see by the strength of your beautiful strong hands, when you compress the handles of the pliers, it would crimp both parts of the grommets, making it one. And now you've done it. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You become the hole maker, hole fixer of your town. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.